Hey you guys, we're gonna go ahead and prep these baskets, and I'm gonna use these adorable candy shapes for Valentine's, and they say hug me and cutie pie and be mine. They have a bunch of different sayings. This one says I love you and kiss me. And then I'm also gonna make this one for my hubby. It says happy Valentine's, I love you. So we're gonna get started, and I'm gonna go ahead and add the transfer tape to the decals, of course. And this is my favorite transfer tape. I'm gonna link it down below so you can go ahead and get a $5 off. All I'm gonna do is cut it before I add the transfer tape. I just want to cut it down as close as I can to avoid any extra tape being used. The tape, you want to be able to use every little piece you got. You don't want to waste your transfer tape, and you want to make sure that everything gets used all the time and you don't throw anything out. You want to save your money and not throw it away. So that's how I'm doing. Any leftover transfer tape, I will use it for smaller decals and smaller projects. So I never throw anything out. I use everything. Then you peel off the transfer tape. You lay it on top of your decal, and you're going to press it down. So go ahead and grab your scraper and just scrape it down as fast as you can. You want to scrape the whole thing. You want to make sure the transfer tape picks up the whole decal. So when you're ready to put it on to your project, it is nice and smooth, no bumps, no lines, no wrinkles, and it comes out really good. So just go ahead and press it down. Now I'm going to go ahead and do the rest. I don't want to make this video too long, but look at how cute this is. I end up putting them on top, and then all I'm going to do is cut them because I'm going to use them in individual pieces. So all I'm going to do is cut them up, make sure I have them ready so I can go ahead and start my project. Super easy. Once you print them out, you can just put the transfer tape on top and then just cut them up. So it's not that bad. They're very cute. They're the heart-shaped candies, and I know everybody has seen these before at the store. And they came out real adorable. I picked up different colors. I thought the pink was super cute. I also used the yellow. I did that teal green. And then I did the dark blue because this one is for the boys. So I thought it would be very cute to have their Valentine's basket, to use a dark blue just for them because they are boys. So I did a mix of a lot of colors. Now I'm going to go ahead and group them in two. If I have any left over, that's fine. But I want to do half and half for each basket. I want to make sure both of the baskets get what they need. So all I'm doing is dividing the little hearts in half, so each basket gets the same amount before I start putting it together. That's it. It's that simple. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel. Give me a thumbs up. Comment down below if you have any questions. Go ahead and follow me on Instagram. I'll link the link down below, as well as a link to the decals. But yeah, all I'm doing is grouping it in two. It's gonna come out really pretty once I have it all ready. And that one is gonna be separate. So now let's go ahead and prep these baskets. I'm gonna go ahead and take off anything that is on top of the basket. I want it nice and clear when I start working with it. Actually, it's pretty easy to remove these stickers. This basket is really nice. It's only $1 and it's at the dollar store. And it's one of my favorite baskets that I've been working with. And so far, I love it. So let's go ahead and remove these stickers. See how fast that was? And the bottom one removes pretty fast as well. We don't want anything on top of the basket while we're working with it. So we got to make sure it's nice and clean and clear. Once we have everything removed, we're going to go ahead, and the next step is to prep it with some alcohol. So you can go ahead and grab some alcohol, any kind you want. And we're going to just clean the baskets. Make sure there's no smudges. There's no fingerprints. There's nothing in the way of the decal, so it won't be bumpy. It's going to be nice and clean, nice and smooth, and ready to start the project. The alcohol dries super fast, so it's a perfect way to clean all your items that you're going to add your decal to. Make sure you do the front, the back, and the sides. Even if you're not adding a decal on all sides, make sure you clean it, because once you start a project, you don't know how it's going to end up. You might end up doing the whole thing, or you might end up doing half. So I'm going to go ahead and get started, and I'm just going to start applying these cute little hearts everywhere. Once you lay it down, go ahead and just go ahead and press on it with your hands, or go ahead and use your scraper, scrape it down. And I'm just going to go ahead and apply them randomly. And I want to go ahead and use all the colors I have. Look at how I'm pressing down on it to make sure it does not lift up once it is down there. So once you lay it onto your container, it's not going to come off. So make sure you lay it how you want it. You're not going to be able to take it off. So go ahead and press it down, and then just keep it where you have it. But look how adorable it's already coming out. And I'm just putting them random. There's not going to be an order for this. There's not going to be a pattern. It's just a random. And I'm pressing it down to make sure they stay. So always press it down to make sure that they don't lift when you are going to remove the transfer tape. Now, once you're ready, gently remove the transfer tape, and it should come out pretty easy. Look at how nice that is. These are going to be perfect for Valentine's. And there you go. Look at how gorgeous it came out. Now, I'm going to go ahead and add a couple to the side. I will not be doing the back because I think the side would be perfect. So I'm just going to add random, just so I could go ahead and fill up the side. And so far, I think it's coming out really cute. Press on it. And then I'm also going to do the other side as well. I'm going to remove the transfer tape. And it should stay on there pretty nice. I'm going to do the same thing to the other side as well. Press on it. Add them and press. Make sure you always press on it because you don't want the vinyl lifting. If the vinyl lifts, go ahead and add the transfer tape back on and press on it a couple more times, and it should stay. And now I'm going to remove the transfer tape. And there you go. I think it came out really cute. Look at how cute that is for Valentine's. Then we're going to go ahead and make the basket. But I just wanted to show you really quick what I'm doing, what my theme is, and just to show you how I'm going to prep it. And look at this one. I made this one a random as well. So they're different. They're the same, but really different because I added different colors and I did them in different sayings. So I mixed it up, basically. And look at how cute it came out. So those are going to be for the boys. I think they're so cute and they're going to love them. Now let's go ahead and make this one. This one is going to be for the hubby. And I printed a whole saying for this one. So I thought that would be very cool to mix it up and do something different and not do all three the same. And for this one, I got a saying. It's really pretty and it says Happy Valentine's on there. So we're going to go ahead and add that. And this is it. It says Happy Valentine's. I love you. February 14th. So I'm going to remove this. And look at how easy that came out. And now we're going to add this right in the middle. So take your time. When you find the middle is when you're going to press it down. Don't press it down until you have it exactly where you want it. Once you have it where you want it, go ahead and press it down. Press down the whole thing so nothing lifts when you're removing the transfer tape. Once you have it nice and pressed, go ahead and lift your transfer tape nice and slow as you can. And look at how beautiful that is. Look at how gorgeous that came out. That is a perfect Valentine's gift basket. It looks professional. It looks done perfect. I'm super happy the way lately I've been working with this vinyl. I've been loving it. Everything's been coming out perfect. It looks like I purchased it. Now I'm gonna go ahead and make this little jewelry organizer. And this is from the dollar store. And this was only $1 and it has a lid. I thought it would be perfect to make another small gift for Valentine's. All I'm going to do is clean it with the alcohol and I'm going to get started. It's because it's already clean since it was wrapped. They come wrapped. And I'm going to add the rest of these little hearts that I had left over because I'm going to use this for a gift as well. I thought that would be perfect. So I'm going to go ahead and add them randomly. Whatever fits on here, I'm going to go ahead and add it on the whole container. This is such a great gift for someone. And these little containers are also at the dollar store, so you're going to be able to find them there. And they're only $1. So don't worry, I'm going to share with you when I make it so you can see what I actually added inside this little container. But this is perfect to give anyone, to tell you the truth. It's so cute. And not only that, they can use it to put anything they want in there once they open it. Now I'm going to remove the transfer tape and look at how easy that came out. Look at that. Look at how cute this is. And they can actually add jewelry in there, hair clips, hair ties, office supplies. Now I'm going to go ahead and add another row on the bottom. I thought that would be super cute if I just did the whole thing. And that's exactly what I'm going to do. I'm just going to go ahead and add them randomly. Press it down with my hand. And see what I come up with. Look at how cute they are. Look at how adorable that's coming out. Now go ahead and remove your transfer tape. See how that lifted? Press it down with your finger and you'll be fine. Do the same thing for the next. And that looks pretty good. I'm going to go ahead and add on the side. And I'm also going to go ahead and add on the back. So all I'm doing is I'm adding them randomly. There's no like color coordinating. There's nothing. There's just randomness. I thought that would be very cool. And so far, I love it. Now you can make them also in different colors. If you want to go ahead and use a green or a purple, I think that would be very cute as well. So it's optional. You can do however you want. But I thought this was really cute. Now I'm going to go ahead and put the sides because I'm doing the whole thing. I thought it would be very cute if I did the whole container. And there you go. Remove your transfer tape and look at how gorgeous that is. Isn't that just plain pretty? Now, since I have a leftover heart, I'm going to go ahead and just add it anywhere. You know how I feel? If you have it, use it. So I'm just going to add it onto the basket so I make sure I use it. And there you go. How cute are these Valentine gifts, ideas? I hope you guys like them and you actually pick up something from this. If you do, comment down below. I would love to know. Go ahead and tag me on Instagram if you're going to go ahead and make it. I would love to see how yours came out. But look at how cute this is. I cannot wait to put these Valentine's baskets together, and then that'll be another video. So I hope you guys like them. I hope you learn a little something. And if you do, remember to tag me on it. I would love to see it. But look at how cute they are. And until next time, bye you guys.